something special. I'm in the mood to celebrate. Dance like the devil went down to Georgia, 'cause it can't keep up with the hell we raised. I think I'm overdue for a little fun. Wind me up, Charlie, let me run. I've been working too hard in the summer sun. But don't give me a break, I'ma give you one. Can't take it to the grave, I'ma spin it. So come on, let me wobble like a line for a minute. Pour me a glass of something special. I'm in the mood to celebrate. Dance like the devil went down to Georgia, 'cause it can't keep up with the hell we raised. Do a little step back, dirty Kentucky. Set the world on fire when they open the gate. Dance like the devil went down to Georgia, 'cause it can't keep up with the hell we raised. Call my buddy Nate, line 'em up. Get everybody here for the good stuff. Tell 'em bring your best moves like a potluck. Tell 'em back your worries up like a Mack truck. I've been this happy in a while. You can find me on the floor with an alligator smile. Pour me a glass of something special. I'm in the mood to celebrate. Dance like the devil went down to Georgia, 'cause it can't keep up with the hell we raised. Do a little step that dirty Kentucky. Set the world on fire when they open the gate. Dance like the devil went down to Georgia, 'cause it can't keep up with the hell we raised. Lose a button on my shirt. Take life for a spin. Go on, pour on all that sauce, 'cause you don't get to do it again. No, you don't get to do it again. Pour me a glass of something special. I'm in the mood to celebrate. Dance like the devil went down to Georgia, 'cause it can't keep up with the hell we raised. Do a little step that dirty Kentucky. Set the world on fire when they open the gate. Dance like the devil went down to Georgia, 'cause it can't keep up with the hell we raised. Bring it back, go! Okay. You dancing, yeah. If you ain't, you ain't got a heartbeat. So I want you to really feel it. Dance like the devil. Bring the bass, bring the treble.
Let's learn Move to Celebrate. It's choreographed by Kevin Machak. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with one restart on wall 10 after the first 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Before going around and doing 2 full rotations of the dance, we're going to dance all the way up till our restart and the wall after, so you know where it happens, so you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Move to Celebrate. We're going to start our dance with section 1 with both feet having weight, which means we are split weight. Knees are going to be slightly bent. We're going to do heels, toes, heels to the right. So we're going to swivel both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right, and you're going to hold. And if you would like to add a clap in that hold, you can. We're going to repeat that same thing to the left. So swivel both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels, and you're holding, and you can add that clap if you would like to. Let's try that with some counts. Heels, toes, heels. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 2, we're going to do 4 back touches. We're going to slide our right foot back, touch your left, slide your left back, touch your right, slide your right back, touch your left, slide your left back, touch your right. Let's try that with some counts. On all of those touches, if you would like to clap, step, clap, you can add claps in. So let's try it sliding back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn and then a jazz box that stays at the wall that we turn to. So we're going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot back, make a quarter turn stepping forward with your right, step your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that but stay at the wall. So a jazz box in place, cross, back, side, forward. Let's try that with some counts. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To end the dance, our section 4, we're going to do a K-step that ends with a step together. On this K-step, if you would like to add claps on all the touches, you can. So we're going to step forward with our right into the diagonal, touch your left, and if you would like to clap, you can clap. We're going to step our left foot back where we just came from, touch our right, and if you want to clap. Step your right foot back into the right diagonal, touch and clap. Then we're going to step our left foot forward, and you're going to step your right foot next to your left with slightly bent knees to start the dance all over again. Let's try that part with some counts. K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees slightly bent, heels, toes, heels to start the dance all over again. So now let's turn to that front wall. We're going to do it one time with steps and one time with counts. Heels, toes, heels, split weight on both right and left at the same time. Heels, toes, heels, hold or clap. Heels, toes, heels, hold or clap. Back touch, back touch, back touch. Now grapevine quarter, cross, back, quarter together, cross, back, side, forward. K-step, step, touch, touch, step together. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Heels, toes, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, we're going to go all the way around. Our restart is going to happen on wall 10, which is our side-facing wall. So we'll be facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. He's going to say, na, 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 or something similar into the lyrics. And that is where you're going to restart the dance all over doing heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. When you're dancing this dance, when you get towards the end, it has a false ending. For the first 8 counts on one of the walls, it's going to have like no lyrics. You can choose to stop there, or you can dance through it and just keep on dancing until the end of the dance. Choice is yours. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back wall, we're going to do steps, and on the side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to do 2 full rotations so we can practice that restart wall. Weights on both feet, heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Jazz box, quarter turn. Cross, back, quarter together. Cross, back, K-step. Step, touch, back touch, step together. Heels, toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels, toes, heels, hold. Heels, toes, heels, take it back. Back touch, jazz box quarter. Cross, back, quarter together. Cross, back, side together. Forward touch, back touch, step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go around again. Heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Back touch, jazz box quarter. Cross, back, quarter forward. Cross, back, side, forward. Back touch, step together. Heels, toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Back touches. Jazz box quarter turn. Jazz box in place. K-step, step, touch, back touch. Step together, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is wall 9. We are going to dance wall 9. Our next wall is going to be 8 counts and then start over again. Heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Back touch, back touch, back touch. Jazz box. Jazz box in place. K-step. Step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. That one restart is the only one that you need to worry about. The rest of the dance, you get to just dance it the way you would like. I hope this helps you learn Mood to Celebrate. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.